So this is going to help you with the zero product property connectivity. So it says find the zeros of a function, enter the solutions from least to greatest. So I'm just going to go ahead and graph g of x equals x minus 2, 3x plus 3. Oops. And then when I do that, I see that I have zeros at -1 and at 2. So it's asking for my lesser x. That's just saying the smaller x. So -1 is smaller than 2. And then the greater x is 2. So again, smaller x goes where it says lesser x, and the bigger x goes to where it says greater x. This one here looks a little bit different because we have equals 0. So I'm going to go ahead, graph that equals 0. So I have 1 and I have -6. So again, my lesser x, my smaller x is -6. My bigger x is going to be 1. Now this one's a little bit different because we're going to have a fraction as an answer. So I'm just going to type it into Desmos. And I get -1.25, so that could be a fraction or a decimal. And then I have +5 here. So no matter what, my bigger x is +5. Now remember, if you need to convert a decimal to a fraction, you can just click this little button here and it gives you that as a fraction. So I'm going to go ahead and type that, and it says your answer should be a simplified proper fraction, so -4/5, or sorry, -5/4, and then move on. So all you're doing is putting this in Desmos, finding what your two zeros are, putting your smaller x here, and then putting the bigger x where it says greater x.